Alright, the AC unit works very well, such as airflow, the temperature is nice and cool. The only thing that you hear is this noise coming from this side. If I put a little pressure there, it goes away. Take it off, the noise is back. The only thing that seems to fix it is by going through the modes. I'll show you, even the fans, it's still there. Even on low, you can actually hear the noise better. And like I said, if I put just a little pressure, it's gone. The only way I found to get rid of it is by cycling through. And then it's fine again. And this is the same, you can hear the airflow blowing out, which is really good. But if I gotta get up and go over here every time this goes into basically standby mode and then starts up again, it makes that same noise. And it's the same thing for both of them. I bought two of these at the same time, for one for each end of my house. So this is something that you might end up with.
I got the GE Profile PHNT12CC Clearview 10,000 inverter technology, ultra quiet for medium rooms, air conditioner, full view with easy installation, energy efficient, fits walls between 4.5 inches and 13.75 inches thick, works great with Google and Alexa, and it has a remote. All of the insulation, remote, 2 batteries, AAAs. You get the batteries, insulation, easy to install, works with Wi-Fi, and Google, Alexa. Download the app.
What a piece of garbage. The thing is moldy. I only had it for 3 months over the summer. They're coming to fix it. They're gonna put 3 parts in there. Why not just give me a new one? I'm gonna complain after it's fixed. You gotta throw it out. It smells like vinegar, horrible. The water pump was shooting water to the front. I would feel it. And then finally, this all black. Stay away from this unit.
that's called quiet. Because it's not start off a racket.
This is not quiet.